Hello, hello. Today I'm here to show you safety gear here for welding, because for all you future welders, you have to know that you need safety first, because, well, welding is a dangerous job, of course. So I'm here to show you all of these safety gears, because without it, well, there would be a freak accident going around with all that, since you're working with hot metals, really sharp things, and really sharp things like with a grinder. And sometimes, well, it's just really crazy stuff. Just crazy stuff in general. So first, you're gonna need gloves. Why do you need gloves? To protect your fingers and, of course, your hands from really hot metal, and, of course, to not get your fingers or your hands cut, because that would be bad. And not only that, you need safety glasses. And I only have the safety glasses borrowed right now, so just take it as it is. But you need these safety glasses, or else there would be something stuck in your eye, like really hot metal. But it would be tiny enough to really hurt you, because there's a lot of dangerous stuff in welding. So please, careful. And if you go grinding and all that, you need these headphones. You need safety headphones, because if without them, it will get this loud. This loud. And mainly and the last thing you need is something leathery, a leather jacket. Now, you won't see the whole entire thing, but just something to protect your whole entire arm, because without that, you would be burning, and you'll be annoyed by how the sparks are burning you, or and mainly, of course, you need them for whenever you're gonna weld something like this. Something like this you need to weld. That's why you need the leather jacket and some leather gloves as your full-on combo to protect yourself. But to protect yourself from welding and grinding something. Now, I don't have a welding mask, but with a welding mask, you can weld really good stuff. You can well, I wouldn't say you can weld, but you need a welding mask to do stuff like this, of course. All of these, because without them, the dangerous part without welding with a welding mask is that it's really bright. It's really bright when you're gonna weld. And I'll give you an example of what I mean.